So, hello students. Today we are going to learn here two more 5 marks examples. Okay. So first example is what now here. Suppose function f of n to r, natural number set to the real number set is given, and it is defined by what now here? Defined by f of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 15. 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Then what they asked here? Prove that or show that f of n to s, natural number set to the set S, is what here? Invertible. In the previous class also we have proved that what the functions out here invertible. Same method we are applying, but here is what? Quadratic equation. If the quadratic equation is given, okay, in the trinomial, how to prove that the function is invertible? Let's see. Okay. So first of all, what is given here? F of x is given. So write here what? F of x. F of x is equal to what now here? 4x square. 4x square plus 12x plus 15. 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is what here? F of x. Okay. Now what to find here? We want to find the value of x. Okay. So as I told you, f of x we take as a y. F of x we take as a what here? Y is equal to what now? Okay. 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is there. Okay. So convert this in the form of what here? A plus b square form. What is now? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is what now here? It's a plus b, it's a whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is what now? A plus b the whole square. Okay. Same way here also 4x square plus 12x plus 15 is there. No. Convert it. 4x square is what? 2x square. No. 2x is the whole square. Okay. Now 2ab. Suppose this is a square. Okay. 2ab I want. 2 into a is what now here? 2x. Okay. 2 into a is what here? 2x. What is now value of b? 2 into 4. 4 into what? 12 will come. Okay. So 2 into 4. 4 into 3 is what here? 12 will come. That's why here will come what? 3. Okay. Now plus b square one here. Yes, no? B square. B square means what here? 3 square. But 3 square is not present here. If it is not present here, write there minus b square. Okay. Because 3 square is not present here, write here minus b square. Now last number is what here? Plus 15. So write here plus 15. Okay. Now see here, a square plus 2ab plus b square is what now here? A plus b the whole square. Okay. So what now here? A is what here? 2x. Okay. A is here 2x plus b is what now here? 3. Okay. B is here 3. It's the whole square. If you do it square, 2x plus 3 square, a square plus 2a into b, okay, plus b square. Okay. A square plus 2ab plus b square is what? A plus b the whole square. The value of a is a 2x, the value of b is what here? 3. Okay. Now minus sign is there. Minus sign. Okay. Till here is a formula. Minus sign 3 square is what now here? 9 plus 15 is there. Plus 15. Okay. So now 15 minus 9 is what here? 15 minus 9, 6. Okay. So y is equal to what now here? 2x plus 3, it's the whole square, plus 6. Because 15 minus 9 is what here? 6. Okay. Now we want to find the value of x here. How to find the value of x? This plus 6 transfer that side. Okay. So y plus becomes here minus 6 is equal to what now here? 2x plus 3, it's whole square. Okay. 2x plus 3, it's a whole square. Okay. Now what to do here? Okay. I want to find the value of x. So taking square root on both the sides. Okay. So take a square root of what here? Y minus 6. Take a square root of this. If you take square root, square will get cancelled. What remains here? 2x plus 3 will remain. Okay. If I take a square root of this, square root of 2x plus 3 square is what? 2x plus 3. Now plus the opposite side, minus 3. So root of y minus 6 plus it becomes this side minus 3 is equal to what now here? 2x. Okay. So now again this 2 transfer that side. So therefore what? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 into is there, it will divide. So divide by what here? 2 is equal to x. Okay, is equal to what here? X. Clear? So therefore the value of x is what here? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to what here? X. So value of x we got here now. Okay, so as I told that, first find the value of x. First find what here? Value of x that we got here. Okay, this is the first step. Second way is what? Write the g function, inverse function of f. So what we are proving? We are proving what? N to s is what here? Invertible. Correct? Therefore write here g function. How to write g function here? G function is defined by here. How to define here g function? G function is the n to s means s to n. So g function is what here? S to n. Okay, g function is here s to n. S to n. Okay, g function is what here? S to n. Right? How it is defined? Defined by, okay, defined by what? Defined by x is what here? This one, no. So g means what here? G of y. F of x is the for f function, g of y is for the g function. Okay, g of y is what now here? Which value we got now? That value right here. What? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, what we got here? G of y is what here? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. That is the value of what here? G of y. Okay, so see once again what I do here. First write f of x. Okay, f of x is a y here, then convert into what? A plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. A plus b the whole square, 3 square is 9, 15 minus 9 6 here. Okay, plus 6 transfer this side, minus 6, taking square both sides, 3 transfer this side, 2 transfer this side. Okay, this is the value of x. So value of x is right here as the g of y. Okay, now let's what to do here? Let's find the composition now. Okay, as I told you, after g of g function, write their composition. Okay, so how to write composition? Just see here. Okay, so composition means first composition is what now? First composition is what? G composition f of x. Okay, so g composition f of x. What is g composition f of x now? Okay, so g as it is, f of x is in the bracket. G as it is and f of x is in the bracket. Okay, so see here, g as it is. What is the f of x now here? So f of x is what? 4x square plus 12x plus 15. Okay, but don't take that. Okay, don't take that here. So, but don't take that here. So see here. Okay, which one is there? 2 y is equal to what? This value, no? Okay, 2x square plus 3 square plus 6. Okay, so take this value. Take this value means what? F of x is what now here? 2x plus 3 square plus 6. Okay, therefore f of x is what here? 2x plus 3 its square plus 6. Okay, now it is what here? G of y. G of y. What is now g of y here? G of y is we got here root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by what here? 2. Okay, now see here, where y is there, put the value of y. The value of y is what? 2x square plus 3 square plus 6. So this you put in the place of y. This is the value of g of y, no? So this is the value of what here? Y. Okay, therefore root of y value is what now here? 2x plus 3 its square plus 6. Y is what? 2x square plus 3 plus square minus plus 6. Okay, so y is over. Minus 6 is there now. So right here minus 6. Okay, root is complete. Root is complete. Y value minus 6. Y value minus 6. Minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is there. Divided by what here? Divided by what here? 2. Okay, now see here. Welcome. Okay, so plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled here. Plus 6 and minus 6 will get here cancelled. Okay, what left now here? 2x plus 3 its square minus 3 divided by what here? 2. Okay, now this square and root will get here cancelled. Therefore what? 2x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 2. 2x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 2. So plus 3 minus 3 again get cancelled here. Okay, so what left now here? 2x divided by 2x divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what left? The answer is what here? X. Okay, so therefore what? G composition f of x is what here? X. G composition f of. So for x value, x answer is coming. Okay, so for x value, there is a x answer. Therefore, it is what here? Identity function. Okay, identity of which set now here? Identity of first set n. Identity of set what here? N. Okay, clear? So now the next is what? Okay, so here G composition f of x is over. Now what here? F composition G of y. Okay, so here F composition G of y. Correct? So how to do here? F composition G of y? Same, apply the same method, but the answer must come what here? Y. Answer must come what here? Y. Therefore f is as is, G of y is in a bracket. F is as is here, G of y is in a bracket. Okay. Now see here again, f as is. What's the value of G of y? G of y is here what? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. So here root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is the value of G of y here. Okay, root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Now it is the f of x, no? F of x. Correct? That means this is the value of x. This is the value of what here? X. Correct? So right here, f of x is what? F of x is what now here? F of x we got here, this conversion. Now don't take this one. Take the converted. Converted is what here? 2x plus 3 square plus 6. Okay. So here f of x is what here? 2x square plus 2x plus 3. It's a square plus 6. Okay, plus 6. Now you put the value of x. Where x is there, put the value of x. So value of x is what? The value of x is this. Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. So what to do here? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is the value of what here? X. Okay, plus 3 is there. Now plus 3 is there. It's a whole square. Plus 3 the whole square. Okay, then what is there? Plus 6 is there. Plus 6. Okay, plus 6 is there. So should I write here what? Okay, minus 3 plus 3 is the whole square plus 6. Plus what here? 6. Okay. Now see here, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled here. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled here. What left now in the bracket? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 plus 3. It's square plus 6. It's square plus 6. Okay. Now here plus 3 minus 3 will cancel. Root of y minus 6. It's a square plus 6. Okay. Square and root again cancels here. So y minus 6 left here. Square and root cancels here. Y minus 6 left here. Plus 6. Okay. Now here minus 6 and plus 6 will get cancelled there. Minus and plus will get cancelled here. What remains there? Y. What remains there? Y. So therefore what? F composition G of y is what here? Is equal to y. Okay. So y is coming for y. Y answer is coming. That means this is what here? Identity function. What now here? This is what here? Identity function. Therefore F composition G is a identity function. Just like here, no? G composition F is also what here? Identity function. F composition is also what here? Identity function. So identity of what now here? Second set. Second set is what here? S. Okay. So identity of S. Okay. So see here. Okay. So if the function is invertible, okay. So if the function f is given here n to r, function f is given here. Okay. What f of x equal to 4x plus 12 plus 12x plus 15 then we are proving what f of n to s is a invertible. So first of all, find the value of x. Okay, so that value of x here, write g of y is the values of x here. Okay, then what here, find their composition, g composition f. For x, x should come answer, and for y should come answer. If both are what here identity functions, then the function f is called what here invertible function. Got now here? So this is the method when we are doing what here quadratic equation. Okay, yes.